Now today, let's start with chapter number 3, our basic needs. In this chapter, I will tell you about what are basic needs: food, shelter, and water. These are our basic. Now let's start the chapter. Which fruits and vegetables do you like to eat? You have to write the names of fruits and names of vegetables that you like. In early stages of evolution, what happened? The human did not give much importance to the basic. The humans say they do not give much importance to basic needs, that is shelter and clothing. They lived in forest and just they wear leaves of trees, bark of tree, and gradually they started exploring their surrounding and shaping their world. Using their intelligence, they discovered ways to meet the basic needs like food, shelter, and clothing. By using their intelligence, what they did, they started discovering their basic needs like food, shelter, and clothing. First is food. The early humans wander from place to place. They ये एक place से दूसरी place जाते थे, and they led a nomadic life. Which type of life? Nomadic. Wander from place to place and led a nomadic. What they do, they collect berries, roots of trees, honey, meat, and caught fish from water bodies. क्या करते थे ये? Berries को collect करते थे, roots of trees, honey, meat, and caught fish from their water bodies. They ate all. देखो ये सब चीजें collect करके लाते थे. पहले fire तो था नहीं. So what they do, they eat these things. As with the time, with the passage of time, they learned how to grow crops, and they also learned to make fire. And what happened with the time, as the time passed, they started knowing how to grow crops, and they started growing crops, and then they also got the idea of how to cook food. This development was very gradual and led to today modern food habits. बहुत gradual थी और आज हम सब क्या करते हैं, खाना को कुक करके खाते हैं. Because saffron the सबसे most expensive spice है हमारी वर्ल्ड का, वो आपका क्या है? saffron. Now shelter. First, before, पहले क्या होता था कि जो ह्यूमन होते थे, they live in jungle, caves or tree top. The early human lived in jungle, caves and trees. With the discovery of fire, जैसे discovery of fire हुआ, use of wheel, community living came to exist. इससे क्या हुआ? जैसे कि wheat invention हुआ, fire का discovery हुई, तो इससे क्या हुआ? community living came into existence and the people started living in a small group along with river. एक छोटे ग्रुप्स में रिवर बैंक के पास रहने लगे. क्यों? रिवर बैंक के पास वो क्यों रहते थे? क्योंकि रॉ मटेरियल इजीली अवेलेबल था, वाटर अवेलेबल था. दैट दिस लेड टू एस्टैब्लिशमेंट ऑफ स्मॉल. इससे क्या हुआ? स्मॉल विलेजेस और टाउन एस्टैब्लिश. Towns expanded to cities and where people shifted to more company. Today we can see we have multi-story building. लोग flats में रहते हैं and they follow their own culture and they have religion lives together in a harmony. ठीक है, जो different religion भी एक साथ कहाँ रह रहे हैं? हार्मनी में रह रहे हैं. Then we have clothing. What early men do? Early men, what they do? They covered their body with the leaves or a bark of tree. ठीक है, and they learned how to grow crop. They grew cotton and flax. जब उन्हें पता चला कि कैसे क्रॉप उगाई जाती है, तो उन्होंने कॉटन और फ्लैक्स ग्रो करा. एंड द फाइबर ऑफ दिस प्लांट्स आर यूज्ड फॉर मेकिंग क्लोथ. कॉटन से हम क्या बनाते हैं? कॉटन प्लांट्स. टुडे वी ड्रेस अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर टेस्ट and use different kinds of material like cotton plant से, silkworm से, wool sheep से, और nylon and polyester. What are these? These are synthetic fibers. Means these are man-made fibers and machines have made the production of the clothes even earlier. जैसे क्या हुआ? डेवलपमेंट ऑफ मशीनरी हुई, तो उसने क्या करा? क्लोथ्स को और मतलब जो आपकी प्रोडक्शन है क्लोथ्स की, वो बहुत ज्यादा इजी. नीड्स and wants. This is very important. Everyone needs something and wants. भाई सबके अपनी इच्छा होती है. So needs refers to things that are essential for our existence. भाई कि जो क्या है हमारे लिए बहुत ज्यादा essential है, जरूरी है. That like food, shelter and clothing. भाई हमें फूड को क्यों नीड पड़ती है? एनर्जी की. Clothing cover our body. And why do we need shelter? To protect us from what? Cold, rain and wants का मतलब क्या होता है? refers to things which we need to live more comfortable, right? नीड तो है, आप और कंफर्टेबली जीना चाहते हैं, वो क्या होता है आपकी वांट. Wants of one person differ from other. It depends of one's desire and ambitions. क्या उसका desire है, क्या उसका ambitions है. Like wants are, भाई आप छोटे में रह रहे हो, आपकी क्या want होगी, आप और बड़ा कर लो, ठीक है. Latest gadgets design our clothes में, and when our needs are attained, we try to acquire our wants in order. जैसे हमारी needs क्या हो गई, complete हो गई, तो हम कैसी लाइफ जीता जाते हैं, luxurious, हमारी want बढ़ जाए. Now our chapter has been completed. I have told you about what are our basic needs like clothes, food and shelter. Hope you understood about that. That's all for today. Thank you.